appreciate your interest in manufacturing. We're obviously a company that is heavily involved in manufacturing, get really excited about it. Our product tends to end up at machine shops, fabricators, OEMs. So we're doing the first stage of manufacturing. We're taking that raw material that we're buying mostly from domestic mills, and oftentimes we're doing some value added to it. We're cutting it to a specific length. We might be sending it to one of our partners to have a piece of plate ground to size. We do plasma cutting of shapes, rings, and discs. We do water jet cutting, laser cutting, so everything is also processed. And I should have said, really, that's the fourth thing that really makes us unique, is our unique processing capabilities. So a lot of our competitors might stock vanilla and chocolate, which in our world is 304 stainless, grade stainless, and 316 stainless.
Our inventory is managed using software that was developed specifically for our business, and it allows us to identify and record in the computer every piece of material in the building.
We do a lot of stuff in the architectural markets. So we do polished material. We have some of our stuff all over the world. We ship to all 50 states, and we export typically to over 20 countries every.
I have a degree in mechanical engineering technology. Learned a lot of computer-aided drafting, software. I graduated from Mercer here, and then I got my degree from Penn State University. So, and then I have about 17 years of experience now in a couple different shops. It starts off with, the salespeople get the order. As soon as you get the order, some companies will send us in a CAD drawing of what they want produced. Some people will just send us in a hard copy, and we have to produce it on our own software. Getting to do new stuff every day. There seems to be a new project to work on every day, so not much monotony. Granted, monotony isn't terrible for something like this, but I see a lot of different things.